at these beautiful seagulls. They are picking food which people left behind. We caught some of the seagulls for our lunch. We are going to the beach. Yay! This year we are going to the beach for the first time, and I love beaches. Beaches are my all-time favorite place in the world. Today we will go to the beach, playground, and my favorite Keen Hill amusement. And we got stuck in traffic here. Which is understandable because everyone is going out because the weather is good. And it is a long weekend. We changed our route and left the A12 and took the country roads. So enjoy England's countryside and country roads. Today I am taking you to the small town of Walton on the Naze, which is situated in Essex, England, the North Sea coast. Originally, Walton was a farming village. Over the centuries, a large extent of land had been lost to the sea due to coastal erosion. It is important for migrating birds such as wintering ducks and Brent geese. But we didn't see any of migrating birds, but we found seagulls. Okay, the road is quite narrow and is very difficult for 2 cars to pass each. But my dad did it. Yay! We are in the lovely town of Walton on the Naze. And here I can see the water. Oh, look today. There are lots of bikers. Found some of the bikers on the way here. It looks like they are having a kind of fair here. Just a guess. Don't know if it's true or not. Now we parked our car. It was very difficult to find the parking space. It looks like everyone is at the beach today, and I just want to go to the beach quickly. And let's go! My dad doesn't want to go into the deep water, and I really love water. Time to make some sandcastles. My dad helped me and bought me some water, and I put sand in the water, and look what happened. Sand did not come out of the bucket because I put lots of water in it. That was a mistake. my sandcastle. Uh-oh, it is not a sandcastle. I made a sand farm. Some of the seagulls for our lunch. Just joking. My mum made me kebab roll, which I had with my Fanta. Just joking. My mum made me kebab roll, which I had with my Fanta. It's time to go to the playground. Yay! I'm feeling a bit cold after playing in water for so long. So a warm jacket for me. And now my favorite place, Kino Amusement. I also played a motorbike racing game. It was not easy. I fell down here, and here again, and here again. And it is finished. I am on 16th position. Now let's go to the coin machine. I don't know what it is called, but you have to put 2p coins into it, and the machine will push the coins into the machine and push it out of the machine. Your aim is to get the things on top of the coins. And so as the coins push out of the machine, the things also push out. I don't know what I'm saying. I hope you just understand. And here I got a yellow slime. And in the end, me and my dad played the striker game. Sadly, I lost by 46 to 76. And here our fun day was finished and we return home. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe and be happy and have fun.